Okay, so it's a Saturday today, another day in the shop. Today's jobs we've got lined up here, all ready to go, nice and neat for us. I wanted to show you guys something, so I'll get myself set up. There's all these companies out there that's saying, oh yeah, we don't cut on cars, we don't cut on cars. At some points you have to cut on a car. I don't care who you are, some places you can't set up knifeless tape. There's certain places that you've just got to cut on the car. Now, cutting on the car doesn't mean that you're going to damage the car. So I just wanted to point something out to you. So I'll get myself set up and I'll show you. Right, so first I'm going to show you obviously you've got let's use this old school way. This tape. Hopefully you can see this all right. So, knifeless tape works like this. There you go. Now, obviously there was a time when there wasn't any knifeless tape. So, if we had to cut on paintwork, we'd use this paint mask tape, fine line paint mask tape. And then, just going to do this roughly. So we cut on this. And then remove that. And then again, you know, you haven't cut on the car. But there's times when, like I say, you've got to. So if I get this nice and clean, now black shows marks more than anything. I just wanted to show you. If I put that on there, put that on there. Change the blade, always change the blade if you're going to cut. If you're going to cut on a car, always change the blade. So, oh damn. Now there isn't a mark on there. Alright, there's an indentation, but no mark. Now if I cut onto this, when I pull this up, as you can see, I've not cut through that at all. Say hi, Sky.
Hi.
Say hi, Lewis.
Hello.
So we thought we'd have a laugh and show some skills as well. Right, there. Or he's gonna end up stabbing my hand. I'm a bit nervous, I've never done this before.
Bang! 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 Bang!
Shut up. My hand's got all sweaty. Damn it! Alright, try again.
Is it running?
Yeah. So we'll cut that bit. Cut! It's really hard because you don't know. You can't tell how hard to press. Come on, Lewis. Yeah! Okay, hero. Sky's turn. Take the stage. Come on, you can do it. Nice and gentle. Still recording?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Knife skills. Ah!
Knife skills.
Not putting down skills though.